morning. Went to go start my motorcycle this morning, the Panigale V4, and got a whole lot of nothing. What the f***? Here's the battery for it. Not even holding a charge. I couldn't even get any electronics to turn on, so we're gonna stop in there, see if they have the battery. If not, we'll order one, but didn't really want to deal with this today. So this impromptu video is now how to change a battery on a Ducati Panigale V4. Unexpected results. So I had them tested. They don't carry this battery, so I was gonna have to go somewhere else anyways. But had them test it just for thrills because I was there, and showed up 0 volts, which is what I thought. I had to test it at another place. And the dude pressed the button on the top. Now, I did that too, but he's got the magic touch apparently because he did it, and then it fired right back up to life at 13 volts, ready to go. How does that make any sense? Unless there's like a heat shut off or something built into the battery. I mean, I know this is the restart technology. I don't understand how it works, but I know that it's a thing. So I guess this video is not how to replace a battery. It's a let's take the battery out and put it back in. My one concern though is that it died once. Is that going to be a regular occurrence? Because I don't like that it died at all. I want to be able to trust that if I'm in the middle of nowhere and I shut the bike off and I turn it back on, it's going to start. I know we can bump start it. But does that mean if it gets too hot and I don't have an Allen key with me that I'm screwed? A lot of interesting questions we're going to have to figure out in this video. Battery's back in. Hopefully it works this time. We're about to find out. But a little PSA. Oops. Little PSA with these batteries in the Panigale V4. They do not fit all that well. What I mean is that fits in there just fine. But these little pieces, they just are not tall enough. They don't quite fit. So we got to be tricky. As you can see, it is grabbed. Moment of truth.
Well, the good sign is it's flashing.
Yeah, we've got something going on.
Cool.
Mission accomplished. Sweet, so it looked like that worked. Looked like it just needed to be reset, but battery's up. We'll keep an eye on it. As far as the trusting it goes, that's a tough one. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is probably keeping a set of Allen wrenches in the bike, in the back storage area behind the seat, because I would hate to be somewhere and the battery dies and then I can't get the plate off. That's the plate I'm talking about there. It bolts on with these. They go right in there. But if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere and you didn't have an Allen wrench, you're not getting that off without breaking it, and that's carbon. That would be expensive. And it damaged the fairing. You just wouldn't do it. So realistically, just because I'm lacking a bit of faith, I would probably just carry an Allen wrench that fits that in there. So if I do need to press the restart button, which apparently now works, I can. So the battery isn't fixed, I guess? Battery's junk. Ouch.